Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to install Nessus Professional. Okay, so first you need to go to the Nessus website and you need to try for new Nessus Pro for 7 days and you need to enter the credentials. So first, like first name, last name and the business email. You can use any testing account. Okay, so or temporary emails. In my case I already used a temporary email and I got the license key. So you'll get like this and you need to click on activate your account and you need to enter the user ID and the password. So after that you will get a key, a trial key. Okay, so this is my trial key. Okay, and now first let's download the Nessus. So I'm going to download the Nessus 8.14 64-bit version. Okay, I already downloaded it. And let's go to the downloads and let me click on installation process 64-bit. Okay, click on next, accept the terms, next. You can also change the directory if you want. I'm not going to change, it's going to use the C as default, and click on install. Click on yes, click on next, I agree, click on install, click on finish. Click on finish. Okay, so now the localhost has been used. Okay, connect via SSL, advanced, proceed. So it's going to install the plugins and it's going to take time. Okay, obviously it's need to install all the plugins, so let me pause this video. So Nessus Professional, click on continue. Activation code, you need to paste that activation code you have received over the email. Okay, let me paste it and click on continue and let me enter username and password. So I have created few things here. Sorry, let me recopy it. Copy, let me paste the password, let me click on submit. So the setup has been completed now. So it's going to download the plugins. It will take time. I'm pausing this video. So once the installation plugins has been done, you can see the UI. So it means the installation is been successfully done, and I'm going to make a separate video for scanning purpose. Okay guys, thank you so much.